I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I have another wig from Unice Hair Company. I believe this is from their Amazon store. Everything that I'm going to mention to you, the details, the link to this wig is going to be down in the description box. So that being said, this is their 7x5 bye-bye glueless kinky curly pre-everything wig. That means it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleach. You literally have to do nothing, and that's exactly what I'm showing you, just putting it on my head. It is completely glueless, like I mentioned. The only thing that I did do was put my contour powder, which I have right here, on the lace to blend it a little bit better with my skin tone, and then I also took some concealer to brighten up the parting space. That is a preference, you know, that I have. Each is own, basically. So that's the only thing that I did with this unit. I will say that the curls is tight, baby. It is truly kinky curly. It's very tight, very textured. I've been putting my hands through the hair, putting some water to just like refresh the curls a little bit, and it is getting a tad bit frizzy, but not unmanageable, which sometimes with kinky curly, it can be a lot. So if you don't have experience maintaining kinky curly hair, don't let this be the first time you're doing it, okay? Because it is, even though it's convenient to put on, you just need to understand that these curls is going to be big. It's going to be in your face. Like, if that's what you're going for, then obviously this is the wig for you. Now, this was pre-colored as well. I think they did a very pretty job. Oh, and I wanted to mention, if you wanted to go for a more defined look, of course you can put some product, a curl smoothie on the hair just to define the curls. I normally don't, because I don't mind the frizz. I don't mind the big, you know, look that this kinky curly texture will give you. That's about it, y'all. I don't really have much else to say. This was very self-explanatory. Leave a comment down below if you tried this wig and tell us about your experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, even all the worst nights.